Good morning friends. Today in this video we will learn how to do multi-grafting in Bougainvillea. This is Diluar Nursery, Muchisa, Kolkata. Just going inside. This is the shade area and all the workers are doing multi-grafting process. I'll show you how they are doing the multi-graft. They are all experts in multi-grafting and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grafts are done in one plant. In stock plant, the top portion is cut and fungicide, sub fungicide is used here so that no fungal infection can occur. And here they are preparing for the cyan plants. The cyan sticks they are preparing, the V cutting they are doing on the cyans. The cyans are collected from different color bougainvillea plants and this is the incision is given here and in that incision the cyan is inserted. Around 1 inch cyan is inserted, the V cutting portion. Now grafting tape is used to bind it properly tightly. So you have to do it very tightly and you can see how the knots are given here. This is the process how grafting is done and in one plant you can see 5 or 6 cyans are implanted here, grafts are done and here again you can see the grafting procedure and how the tapes is used here. Tapes are bind here and knots are given and in this way they are giving around 5 to 6 this science, inserting 5 to 6 science in different branches and the science would be collected from different color bougainvillea plants, different different IDs bougainvillea plants. Here there are more than 400 IDs of bougainvillea plants. They are collecting these kinds of science around 5 to 6 inch length cyan and pencil thickness and here they are inserting here and the thick portions, thick science are inserted in lower portion and the thin science are inserted in the upper portion. How they are inserted, how tapes are binded here you can see and how knots are given. This is also very important. After the process is over, then now a plastic cover is inserted inside. Then you can see here now micro chamber is created with covering a plastic poly bag and this is how the knots are given here in poly bag portion and therefore microclimate they will temperature and moisture all will be controlled inside and the soil should be properly this fertilizer is applied. This is organic fertilizer. This is mustard cake fertilizer around 90% mustard cake fertilizer and 10% DAP. This around 1 teaspoonful is added in one pot and here again see this micro chamber is created with a plastic and for maintaining the temperature and moisture. This is very important. One thing you should be careful, there should be proper watering in these plants because otherwise what will happen, the sticks will dry up. So here this in shades, under shades there are more than millions of plants are here. Every types of grafting is done here, different colors of grafting and for each plant you can see 5 to colors, 6 colors. And now I'll show you the stock portion. Stock plants are around 2 years old plant are used as a stock plants. Here I am showing you these are the stock plants and which are used for grafting portion and how stock plants, this is a trimming of the leaves of the stock plants and after stock plants all the branches are removed from the stock plant. Now incision is given. How the incision is given with a sharp knife, how incision is given and before that you have to collect the science and this is how with a sharp knife incision is giving from 3 sides of the stalk and here the science are prepared. How science are prepared you see and all are different colors science, all are collected from different color plants and you can do it very easily and you can do it from February up to December, November and December you can do it. If the temperature is around more than 15 degrees centigrade up to 30 degrees centigrade you can do it easily. This is very easy process but you have to cover it, keep it for 1 month under shade. After 1 month the process is over, then you can keep out in full sunlight area. This is how grafting is done, you can see again and after 3 grafting here they are grafting tape is applied here, inserted here. How very tightly you have to insert the grafting tape very tightly, so that the science can be held inside properly. And again incision is given in the lower side. So in this stock plant, 6 grafting is done. 6 different color science are grafted here, and how the grafting is done you can see. And after that you will cover with a plastic poly bag, so that the microclimate is maintained, and keep it in semi-shade area for around 1 month. And once the buds are growing up from here, new leaves are coming out, then you have to remove all this poly bag. And after 1.5 months you can see new branches are coming out, and new leaves are coming out, new flowers are appearing here. You can see different colors of flowers in one plant. And this is also ready. And this is the final plant. After 1.5 years you can see these kinds of flower, around 5 to 6 color, white, red, pink, violet, all colors of this you can see. This is a ready plant. You can buy it, this plant, from 350 rupees to 400 rupees each from this nursery. If the plant is bigger size, then the price may be higher. You can contact this nursery for buying all this multicolor plant, or if you want, you can do these kinds of multicolor plant in your home, and all are given in description box details. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up.